It all started with this tea bag packaging. My daughter came to me while I was creating little mini books and asked if I could buy this tea again. Well, that's when it took off. What if a tea bag would fit in these cute little mini booklets? Hello and welcome to today's video where I show you how these cute little mini booklets are created. They measure from 2.5 by 2.5 inches up to 3 inches. They are a great way to use leftover pieces from your printables or any other scraps you might have around. Collage them onto lightweight cardstock such as cookie packaging, because you know, we are already in cookie season, so instead of throwing these packages away, you can create tiny little journals with them. They are all made slightly different, but they come with a built-in notebook and a closure, and in the back you can place your tea bag. They are held together with string. Aren't they stinking cute? Start by cutting away all the flaps from your packaging, but don't throw them away either. Cut all the edges straight, this will be your base for collaging. Choose the printable, cut the part you like, glue it onto the cardboard and fold it over. We will collage on both sides. One side will become the cover, the other side the inside of your mini booklet. Make sure you put glue right along the edges. I'm using a bone folder to spread the glue evenly. excess paper to size and round the corners. Then set it aside to dry. Inking around the edges will give it a neater look. Later it will be folded in half. Now we are working on the journal pages. I'm using a coffee-dyed sheet of copier paper in A4 size. The height of the journal depends on the size of my pages. As my base is 5 inches wide and 2 3/4 inches high, my pages should be slightly smaller for a good fit inside. 4 to 5 sheets of paper are perfect for this small journal. This will give plenty of room for little notes while drinking your tea. So with one sheet you can probably fill 2 mini journals. Fold the pages in half together, then sew them into your journal with a 3-hole pamphlet stitch. If you don't like sewing, you can use a stapler instead. Dental floss is wax thread and I'm using it today. You will need double the width of your journal. Fold the thread in half and pull it through the eye of your needle. So here I'm roughly measuring 6 times, so you don't have trouble tying the knot at the end. And sew in a figure of 8 stitch, starting in the middle from inside out, like I'm showing you here. Once this is done, we will create our closure. For this, I'm using a small tag where I've already added an eyelet. It's packed with lightweight cardstock, so it will be sturdy enough. It should fit nicely around the mini booklet when folded in half. I will use my smaller scoring board to make bending easier and give about 1/8 of an inch room at the fold so it will fit nicely. This will allow the mini booklet to carry the bulk of your tea bag while still being able to close nicely. When it's positioned in the right place, put glue only on the back flap. Make sure you stay a tiny bit away from the score line and use a strong glue. Once this is dry, choose a string, baker's twine or like I do, jute twine. Thread it through the eyelet, wrap it around twice, then tie a bow. And don't forget to put your tea inside. Decorate as much or as little as you like, and your cute little mini booklet gift is ready. It's ideal for happy mail or you can hang it on your Christmas tree. I really hope you like this idea. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Happy creating and see you next time!